Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the world of work, why it's important, the different types of jobs, and how work shapes our lives. This is a great way to learn English and improve your English listening skills. Let's get started and discover how work impacts our community and daily routines. Work is an important part of life. Work is an important part of life. People work to earn money and take care of their families. Work helps people buy food, clothes, and a house. Many people feel happy when they work because they can help others. Types of jobs. There are many types of jobs. Some people work in offices. They use computers and write emails. Other people work in shops. They sell clothes, food, or other things. Some people work outside, like farmers or builders. Every job is important. Hard work and fun at work. Work can be hard. Some jobs need people to stand for a long time. Other jobs need people to think a lot. Some jobs start early in the morning, but work can also be fun. People meet new friends and learn new things at work. Full-time and part-time work. Some people work full-time. This means they work many hours each week. Other people work part-time. This means they work fewer hours. Students or parents with small children often work part-time. Working for a company or self-employed. People can work for a company or for themselves. People who work for a company have a boss. The boss tells them what to do. People who work for themselves are called self-employed. They decide what to do and when to work. Choosing the right job. It is important to choose a job that you like. When you like your job, you feel happy and do good work. If you do not like your job, it can feel very hard. People often think about what they like before they choose a job. Work and learning. Work is not just about money. It is also about learning. People learn new skills at work. These skills can help them get better jobs in the future. For example, a cook can learn to make new food, or a teacher can learn new ways to teach. Taking breaks. Many people like to take breaks from work. A break can be a short rest during the day. It can also be a holiday. During a break, people relax and spend time with their family or friends. Breaks help people feel better and work better. When people do not work. Some people do not work because they are too young, too old, or sick. Children go to school to learn before they start working. Old people retire and rest after many years of work. Sick people rest so they can feel better. Work around the world. Work can be very different in each country. In some countries, people work 6 days a week. In other countries, people work 5 days a week. The time people start and finish work is also different. Every country has its own rules about work. Teamwork at work. Teamwork is very important in many jobs. People work together to finish tasks. For example, in a shop, one person talks to customers and another person arranges products. In an office, people work in groups to plan projects. Teamwork helps people learn from each other and finish work faster. Technology and work. Technology has changed the way people work. In the past, people used paper and pens to write. Now, many people use computers, tablets, or phones. Technology helps people work faster and talk to others easily. For example, people can join online meetings or send emails quickly. Creative jobs. Some jobs are very creative. Artists, writers, and designers create new things every day. They use their ideas to make art, books, or clothes. Creative jobs can be fun, but they also need hard work. People in these jobs think a lot to make new ideas. Safety at work. Safety is important at work. People need to be careful to avoid accidents. For example, builders wear helmets and doctors wash their hands before helping patients. Companies also make rules to keep workers safe. Following safety rules helps everyone stay healthy. Helping the community work can also help people in the community. Some people work as volunteers. They do not get money, but they help others. For example, volunteers work in hospitals, schools, or parks. Volunteering makes people feel good because they help make the world better. Education and work. Education is important for work. People go to school to learn basic skills like reading and writing. After school, some people go to college or learn a trade. Learning helps people get jobs they like. For example, a nurse needs to study medicine before working in a hospital. Dreams about jobs. Many people dream about their future jobs. Children often say they want to be doctors, teachers, or astronauts. As they grow up, their dreams may change. It is good to think about what you like and what you are good at when choosing a job. Work-life balance. Work-life balance is important. People need time for work, but they also need time for family, friends, and hobbies. Having a good balance helps people feel happy and healthy. Companies can help by giving workers time off or flexible hours. Traveling for work. Some people travel for work. For example, pilots and train drivers move from place to place. Business people visit other cities or countries for meetings. Traveling for work can be exciting, but it can also be tiring. People who travel for work need to rest well. Changing world of work. The world of work is always changing. New jobs appear and old jobs disappear. For example, many people now work with computers, which did not exist a long time ago. Learning new skills helps people stay ready for changes in the workplace. Following your passion. People also work to follow their passions. A passion is something you love to do. For example, some people love cooking, so they become chefs. Others love animals, so they become vets. Working with passion makes life more enjoyable. Work and life. Work can be a big part of life, but it is not everything. People need time to relax and enjoy life outside of work. Having hobbies, spending time with loved ones, and taking care of yourself are just as important as working hard. Finding this balance makes life better. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful for your English listening practice, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos to improve your English. See you in the next video.